If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Georgina Convertible Tote. Now, this is a Deja Designs pattern. Now this bag is so much more than what it looks like here. I have it set up in one way. This bag converts into different kinds of bags. First, let me show you some of the main features of this bag, and then I'm going to show you the ways it can be converted into whatever you want it to be for the day. So this one I have it with 2 shoulder straps and a crossbody strap. You see how the crossbody connectors come from the inside of the bag. It has a generous slip pocket here in the front. This is amazing for doing an accent panel like I've done here and featuring your favorite fabric. I love how these connectors frame the center panel. On the back, we have a zipper pocket with overlay, purse feet on the bottom, recessed zipper. And when you open it up, she's a medium to a large bag. She opens up nice and wide with a nice tight lining, 2 slip pockets on one side, and a zipper pocket with overlay on the other side. Now I'm going to show you the magic that is this bag. So, as I said, we have this one set up as a shoulder bag and a crossbody bag. You could just have the crossbody and take off these if you wanted to. Say you just wanted it to be a one-strap shoulder bag. So you can take off the crossbody strap, or you can use the crossbody strap as that shoulder bag, as the crossbody is adjustable. Or you can take off one of the handles. Let me just do this quickly. And then take the 2 O-rings and clip them into one handle. Oopsies. On both sides. And then you have a one strap shoulder bag. Okay. Now you can take these off and you can turn this into a backpack, believe it or not. So on the back here, you're going to see we have these D-rings on the side. So you're going to take your crossbody strap, put it to whatever length you're going to need it to be to fit on your shoulder. It depends on the size of your body. I have it to the biggest it can go. I'm going to take one side, clip my clasp onto one D-ring. Then, trying to show this, it's hard. We're going to take our 2 O-rings on one side and we're going to slip this through. Try not to twist it. If you twist it, it's easy enough to twist around. Take it around, feed it back from front to back through the other 2 O-rings. And clasp this one into the opposite side D-ring. I'll show you in a moment. Just like so. So that gives you a bag that is actually another shoulder bag if you wanted it to be like so. So if you're carrying it as a backpack, you want it as a shoulder bag, you can do it that way. And then you just have to pull these tight. And it magically turns that crossbody into a backpack. Isn't that cool? So she's probably one of the most convertible bags I have ever made. I just love her. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And you're part of the bag makers community. There's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.